Hey, it's Vina, and I have an important ask for both lenders and borrowers in private loans. It's going to be super crucial over the next few months and maybe year. If you find yourself in the position of being in a deal that looked really good when you bought it 6 months ago, but now that you're trying to sell it, it isn't going the way you hoped, you're cutting the price and cutting the price and cutting the price, and you're going to be in a position of missing your balloon or possibly not being able to get enough for the property to pay off your debts on it. Please deal with that sooner rather than later. Don't hide your head. You'll find that with private lenders and even some hard money lenders, things will go a lot better if you open the conversation early on when it looks like there might be a problem and work with your financial partner to figure out what could be done. For instance, could the loan be extended and maybe modified so you could hold on to it for a while as a rental? Could some of the loan amount be moved to a second mortgage on another property? I just say this because I've talked to a lot of people who are in this position over the last just few weeks. Both lenders who are saying, I can't get my borrower to call me and the money was due last month. And also from borrowers saying, I don't know what to do. I'm not going to be able to pay this loan off or pay it off on time. If you want to keep your reputation, if you want to keep the good relationship with your financial friends, you need to deal with it sooner rather than later. And if you're not sure how to deal with it, talk to somebody with a lot of experience who can give you suggestions about what to say to your financial friend. A lot of times, very experienced people can suggest things that might be an actual win-win for both you and the other person in the deal. But gosh, don't hide your heads. The calls that I get from lenders who are panicked and angry and frustrated and desperate because they can't even get a hold of their borrowers because their borrowers are in trouble and don't want to say so and don't have any way of knowing how to fix it. It's very sad. It's gonna make it harder to get private money if we don't just deal with this. If these stories get out, just please bite the bullet, have the conversation you don't want to have, and do it earlier rather than after you're already defaulted.